Hi children, welcome back to our English class. I hope you have learned the previous lessons. Am I right? Yes. So, now can you tell me what is your ambition? और आप क्या बनना चाहते हो? Doctor? Then engineer? Then IAS officer? Wow, very good. Then police? Teacher? Ah, very good. So everybody is having your own ambition, isn't it? Yes, very good. Now I will show some of the picture that the people who help us, and tell me if you can identify them. Okay, are you ready? Yes. Who are they? How did you identify? Yes, by their dressing up, isn't it? Yes. Today our third lesson is also about the dressing up day. What is the name of the lesson? Dressing up day. Our class 2 students are dressing up. For what you know? They are preparing for a show. You know show? They are dressing up like different characters. As you said, police, teacher, doctor. In the same way, they are dressing up and they are going to declare themselves. Shall we see what they are going to do? Yes.
Dressing up day. Are you ready?
Has anybody seen my shoes? Hurry up, please. I need to change. Don't eat now. You will mess up your dress.
It is a busy day for the students of class 2. Everyone is talking. The school hall is full of noise and laughter. The children are excited. They are going to put up a show. They are all dressing up. They are dressing up as people who help us. At last, everyone is ready. The show starts. One by one, the children say who they are.
I am a gardener. I take care of plants. I water them to keep them healthy. Plants make our world beautiful. Don't you think so? I am a soldier. I guard my country. I fight for my country. I am proud to be a soldier. Jai Hind. I am a potter. I make pots of different shapes. I make them on this wheel. I also make toys. Come and have a look at my pots and toys. I am an engineer. I help to make a lot of things. I help to build roads and buildings. I help to make airports, bridges, and flyovers. I am a chef. I work in a hotel. I cook tasty food. What would you like to eat? I can make it for you.
Did you watch and enjoy? Yes. So now look at the page number 24. Did you take? Yes. As you are preparing for the program, you are participating in different program in our school, isn't it? Yes. So that you know how is the situation of a dressing room or green room, isn't it? Yes. So let us see what is going on in this green room. Shall we see? Yes. Here first one Neha is asking, are you ready? Then Rahul, has anybody seen my shoes? What happened to Rahul? Rahul's shoe is missing. So he is loudly asking to the class, has anybody seen my shoes? Then Susan, another student, Susan is asking, hurry up please, I need to change. You will, if you finish means they are in one by one, they have to they are getting ready, isn't it? So here Susan is telling, please hurry up, be fast, I want to change my dress also. Then another person, Jasbir, what is Jasbir is telling, don't eat now, you will mess up your dress. Why are you eating now? Don't eat now. If you are eating, what will happen? You will mess up your dress. Mess up means आपका dress गड़बड़ हो जाएंगे. Okay? So this is some of the conversation is going on in the green room or dressing room. So where are they? Let us see. It is the students of class 2. It is a busy day for the students of class 2. Everyone is talking. Everybody is talking. The school hall is full of noise and laughter. And everybody is making the noise and laughing. The children are excited. They are very eager. Why? Because they are going to put up a show. They are going to put up a show. They are all dressing up. They are how do they dressing up, you know? They are dressing up as people who help us. Which are the people who help us? Yes, postman, soldier, teacher, then farmers, isn't it? Yes. So in this way they are dressing up, and at last everyone is ready. Did you see in the picture? What is the situation in the dressing up room? Did you see? Yes. Now we will move to the page number 25. There the show starts. So one by one the children say who they are. Okay, first who came? Gardener. Who is that? Gardener. I am a gardener. Who is gardener? बगीचे में काम करने वाला. Isn't it? Yes. I take care of plants. Sorry. What does he do? He take care of the plants and water them. For what? To keep them healthy. Plants make our world so beautiful. Don't you think so? Yes, plants make our world so beautiful. So he is so proud about himself. Did you see in the first picture? Yes. Now move to the second one. Who is the second one? Yes, soldier. What soldier means? Sainik. I am a soldier. What does he do? He guard our country and fight for our country. So he also is saying that I am proud to be a soldier. Jai Hind. Okay? Then, did you understand who is soldier? Yes. Now look at the third person. Who is that? Yes, potter. What does he do? He makes pots and pans, and he makes toys for children. So I make pots for different shapes. I make them on this wheel. Did you see in the picture? Yes, there is a wheel. On the wheel, he will make the shapes. Isn't it? Yes. I also make toys. Come and have a look at my pots and toys. So, come and look at my pots and toys. Did you see? Yes. Then, next person. Who is the next person? Yes, engineer. What does he make? He helped to make a lot of things. Like help to build a big buildings, isn't it? Buildings, roads, bridges, yes or no? Airports, flyovers. So, these are the things that this is the way that engineer help us. Is it clear? Yes? Then next one, look at the last person. Who is the last person? A chef. Do you know? What does he do? He cook food for us, isn't it? He works in a hotel and cook tasty food. Do you like to go and have food from hotel? Yes, more than from eating from our home, we like to go out and eat, isn't it? Yes. And we will feel that it is so tasty than the food that makes by our mothers, isn't it? Yes. So that is chef. What would you like to eat? I can make it for you. So chef is telling them, whatever things you want, tell me. I will cook and give you. Okay, did you understand? This is the lesson, dressing up day. Is it interesting? Do you want to practice like this? Yes, you can also practice at home like this and read this lesson 3 times. Will you do it? Yes, very good children. Read this lesson 3 times and learn this. What does the person, what do these people do for us? Okay, will you do? Okay, very good. Thank you.